If you want to play YouTube videos in the background on your Android phone while using other apps, you need to first open your settings. Scroll all the way down and go to apps. From this page, simply search for YouTube application and tap on it. Now, scroll down, tap on picture-in-picture option, which is below up here on top. Make sure that the toggle is on for allow permission. If you don't see this option, you might need a YouTube Premium subscription. And once your settings are correct, you can start playing a video. Open a YouTube application on your mobile device, play a video that you want to, then tap on your home button to get a floating mini player. And even if you lock your phone, the audio will continue to play. Or you can also play it on your YouTube Music. And another thing you can do is you can go to your Chrome application, search for youtube.com, find the video that you want to play, go to your home page, open your navigation bar from the top, and then tap on play if you are playing music on YouTube. This way, the song or the music will play in the background. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.